new just listed home, 2466 Ecuadorian Way, apartment 32, Clearwater, Florida, by Amir Parjuli from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in a desirable community offers comfort and convenience. Easily accessible by elevator, this second-floor unit features a spacious living room and a well-appointed kitchen, both with elegant tile flooring and ample space for daily living and entertaining. The home includes 2 comfortable bedrooms, perfect for a seasonal getaway or full-time residence, along with 2 pristine full bathrooms that provide comfort and privacy. The community offers a low-maintenance, worry-free lifestyle with amenities and proximity to dining, shopping, and grocery stores. Enjoy this peaceful and welcoming environment. Schedule your showing today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.